channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name is Mariam Musa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created these amazing bouncy voluptuous curls. That's what we're going to do today. So this wig is by RPGSHOW, guys. This wig, can we just talk about the colour? Can we just talk about it? Like, I love a good blonde wig, especially in summer. Summer's when Miami comes out. You guys know when I'm blonde. I always feel like I get the same type, but this one's slightly different. I just feel like something about this is just, it's just a little bit of me. It's just a little bit of me. You guys love this unit just by the first impressions and just how you're seeing it now, then go straight to that link and shop, because RPGSHOW right now are doing the biggest discount ever. It's their 15th anniversary, so this is huge. If any of you guys have ever wanted to get an RPGSHOW wig and you know it just hasn't been the right time, and you're like, no, I'm actually ready to do it, I really want to take the plunge, this is the time. Please review shot, even if it's not for this wig, have a look, because it's such a good investment. You know how I feel about their frontals. It's so easy, they already come plucked and bleached. If you guys want to see how I got the hair to have this kind of curl pattern, as you guys can see, look at that, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching this video and I can just show you guys from start to finish how I create these voluptuous loose wave curls. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure, if you guys haven't already, press that subscribe button. Like, come on, like, I need y'all to keep subscribing if you can, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it as well. And yeah, if you guys want this wig, you guys want it to go down below. So let's get straight into this video now, guys. Okay guys, so I have already washed this hair, I've already blow dried this hair, I've already put my serums in this hair, and I've already sprayed it down. I say spray because I don't glue my wigs anymore. You guys know, obviously I love the wig glue down like better than anything else, but for the purpose of this video I sprayed it down. And because there's a middle part in as well, usually when it's a side part in I spray down just this side and then leave it, but yeah, because there's a middle part in, we had to spray it. So I use ORS, by the way, guys. It's been so much better for my forehead and everything like that. My burn is lifting. It's just taking its time. It's skin at the end of the day. Like, skin doesn't just happen overnight, you know, when people have bad acne. You guys know I'm going to be showing you the body wave loose curls. Super easy. This one I'm going to take my time. I'm going to clip it in and do all of that malarkey so that you guys get the full voluptuous curls, and so you guys can hopefully copy it. I'm going to update you guys on a little bit of life stuff as well while we're here. So yeah, let's just get straight to it. I've already applied this on my hair as well. It's a curl hold spray. This is from DHD. They actually sent me like a huge PR package of this, like the entire hair curl kit. It was amazing. So I've been using them, really good. So I used this before so that it can help hold the curls better. So I've literally sprayed it all over my hair, and then I also used a heat protector as well. With blonde hair, I do tend to find that they do shed a lot more. Obviously it's processed hair. I like my blonde wigs to look as silky, as nice as possible. I don't like it to look too dry, you know, that kind of dry effect with blonde hair. I like it to look as glossy and as bouncy as possible. So heat protector I use on blonde hair without a doubt. My black hair I can get away with not, but blonde, honestly, you have to have heat protector. You actually have to. If you want, guys, you can use like a holding spray to section each part of the hair. So just before you start cutting the hair, you can spray it on one part, and that also allows the curl to hold for so much longer. If you have time, you're getting ready and you just want to, you know, take your time, want your curls to really last, then if you guys don't know about this technique, which I'm sure you guys do, just section each bit of the hair before you curl it. Put some holding spray on it, not too much, because you don't want the hair to be like bristly and like hard. When you brush it out as well, it won't be as nice. So just do it lightly and it will help your curls to hold as well. So I personally always like to start from the front now. I feel like curling my hair from the front is so much more easier and quicker, and you'll see as I do it anyways, but I'm literally just twisting it away from my face. I always without a doubt twist it away from my face. And these kind of curls, the bout is going to be flat curl. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So a flat curl basically means I haven't twisted the hair around, so it's not going to be like spirally. It's going to be very loose, voluptuous, and because there's some layers at the front as well, is just going to just look really, really, really good. So I'm gonna hold it down like this. So I'll hold it for 30 seconds like so, and I always kind of let it cool down in my hand. It's better for you guys to let it cool down than just drop it. If you let it cool down, it's cooling down in the shape. If you drop it too soon, it's just gonna drop. So this is the clip I use. It's like a proper crocodile clip, and what I do is I basically just put the clip through the barrel hole like that. This is how I clip mine in like that. What I like to do is I like to start from one side and I'll go on to this side, that side. So I'm doing it the same thing on the other side so that they're as symmetrical as possible. I really hate when my curls aren't, one side is like one way and then the other side is like the other way. It's so annoying. So this has allowed me to get as symmetrical as it possibly can be. So yeah, so I kind of go all the way like that and then all the way like this. So now we're moving on to the side. It's really easy to wear 2 gloves because I'm going to be swapping around. Sorry guys, bear with me. It's just this curling one gets really hot. So as you guys can see, I'm doing the same thing here. I'm literally taking it downwards. You can roll it as far up as how you want. You can even do that. I don't do it too much because then I feel like it becomes too like 70s, the curls. Yes guys, let's get into actually catching up and knowing what's been going on. So I think the last time we actually sat down and update you guys properly, I thought it was proper house hunting. I'll be honest, there hasn't been anything, like nothing that I would feel comfortable enough to leave at this place where I am. Obviously you know, my stuff's here, is comfortable, I can work, do you know what I mean? I'm not dying to go somewhere else. So it's been a bit annoying. Sorry, like it's really hot. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay, yeah, so the whole thing has been really, really annoying, and I can't lie, and I just see it as a thing where it's like, at the end of the day, like I feel like maybe I'm rushing decision, you know what I mean? Like I think I stress myself out a lot and thinking, oh my god, like I need to do this, I need to do that, like this will, by me doing this I'll feel like this, like my stuff will feel better like that. And I'm just gonna take a minute. I'll probably wait till maybe the end of the year to move. Like I just recently decorated this year, do you know what I mean? Like, am I being too fast with myself? Do you know what I mean? Doing another big commit for another place. So I'm just giving it a minute. Like even every day I'm checking there's anything, and there really isn't anything. Like there isn't. So I'm gonna give it a bit of time. Yeah, I'm actually enjoying the balcony. That flat isn't exactly like bad. I just didn't really feel that safe. Sorry guys, I've got to do this one again. Like I really don't want my curls to be any different to the other ones. Yeah, so as I was saying, they've actually done some new things, to be fair, in this building to kind of like ease and make things feel a bit safer. So things aren't as bad right now as how they were before. So I'm firming it at the moment. Like my main thing is space. Like guys, you don't even understand like the space in here. I didn't realize how much of a holder I was until I was trying to move out. Like I don't even know how I fit everything in. Like I genuinely don't know. Like I've had to get rid of so much clothes, yeah, and I'm thinking, how on earth did all of this stuff fit in here? I don't like to get rid of stuff. I like to know that I can use something again and again. Basically guys, that really scared me. They are building like a completely new like area in my area. So they're making like they're building flats, but they're making it into a proper nice community. They've done so much already. I'm here like thinking, how on earth? But yeah, there's a lot of construction work. Like I would love to have the windows wide open, but I can't. I don't want them looking in at me, and it's just so loud outside. You guys won't be able to hear me, hence why my fan is right there blowing cool air towards me whilst I do this video in this heat. So yeah, it's been like that. But yeah, so housing wise guys, has been a bit of a disappointment. Like I weren't able to find anything. I feel like my life has been pretty damn boring. It's so crazy because now things are opening up. Like I'm slowly going out and stuff, slowly going back to normal with things, and it feels good. Basically guys, something really, really exciting is happening with me. Wait, let me curl this properly. See what I mean? Like if you hold it enough, it'll just give you those curls. But anyways, yeah, something super try that again, super exciting is happening very soon for me, Adiola and Nella. So we're doing something together, and if you guys have made it this far to the video, you guys are real ones. Comment down below what you think it is, but I feel like you guys are gonna really like it. Like, I'm so excited to do it. So we have been kind of prepping for that, and yeah, it's just gonna be good. Like, I think it's such a good thing to do. I feel like so much of you guys will enjoy it, and I feel like it's just like another little thing to have. Do you get it? So it's been really amazing. I love the girls, and one thing I like about what we're doing is the fact that we're all so different. You guys know how different we all are, yet we all get along, we all like each other, and we're all at different kind of stages in our lives as well, like from age wise to where we want to be. There's something exciting coming. I'm gonna be one of them annoying influencers that something's coming but I can't tell you yet. I'm so sorry. I'm one of them today. Do you see how quick like this is going? I am so excited for Love Island. Like, we had a year without it, okay? And do you know what, right? Love Island isn't that amazing when you think about it. It's really not. But what makes it amazing is Twitter. It's Twitter. It's the memes, it's everyone's opinion. This is the time where like Black Twitter come together. We gather our memes, we gather everything, and we just make it so much more entertaining. I can't wait to see who is going to be like top girl. We've waited a whole year. I know for a fact that this year they're probably going to do the absolute most, and I'm here for it. I want it. I'm even scared for the new Islanders, because when I tell you, TikTok's now a thing. TikTok wasn't a thing when Love Island started. Do you know how many freaking exes are gonna come out the woodwork? And I feel like obviously now everyone, you know what social media now is like now, is about the bag. It's about the bag. It's about the bag, it's about making money, it's about living that luxury lifestyle, and I feel people are gonna do whatever it takes now. So that was really easy. That took me about, what, 15 minutes, depending what type of curls, again, depending how long I want it to last for, is how I do it. What I do is that I use the Curl Ever After curl hold spray. This basically maintains the curls. So I'm gonna literally just put it around the hair like that, whilst it's one of a squirty one, so whilst it's in there, I'm gonna use the hold spray by ORS, but literally guys, I'm gonna put it far away as possible, just because this is strong. Like, it will hold your hair, and I don't want it to be that flaky type of vibe. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna take these clips out of my hair, and I'm going to just style it out now. Oh gosh. Look how big these curls are, guys. Look. And you don't even need to, if you wanted to as well, you guys can leave your curls on overnight and stuff like that, leave the clips in, but we ain't got time for that. And I never go to bed with my wig on anymore. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is already giving me the vibe that I want, that kind of loose wave type of curl. This kind of comb for me is really effective for kind of like separating the curls and giving it that really nice loose wave and stuff like that. So what I'm literally going to do is I'm just going to put do you see that? Wow. And there's the fact that the fan is at the bottom. I'm literally just putting the comb through, and what this is doing is just kind of just feathering out those curls and giving it some more body. Look at that. You can kind of control the curls this way as well. I definitely want it kind of like that. I'm gonna just do that. You can even still put your hand through it, but I just recommend to use the comb. Use your hand to kind of just make sure you've got it how you want it, especially this front bit. Look at that. Come on. The bottom for me is so important, so I always just kind of just work my way in so that it's all the same. Look at that. Shit. Same on this side. Like, guys, I never get it perfect. I always try to get both sides. Oh, there's still one more clip in there. I didn't even saw that. I try so hard to get both sides to be like immaculate, but I can never. I always find one that just doesn't seem to work the way the other one does. So it would help if I moved my products out the way. Do you guys, oh god, that's what I'm talking about. Right, so as you guys can see, I've got more body on this side and this side. So what I tend to do is I go back again over with the one where I feel like, okay, I can put some more waves in these two. I'll take that curling wand again, and this time I will take it as high as possible so that it does have more of a bounce, and I will literally just hold it like this, play around with it, and I just do about 30 seconds on this one, and I'll hold it and cup it this time. I'm not going to clip it, because I'm not going to do that. So there we go. Oh, look how bouncy that is, guys. Look how bouncy that is. Lord have mercy. And I'm going to just hold that off on that side. So I'm going to make sure I perfect this side. Once again, just going through it like that. What I like is that even though I'm brushing through it, it still bounces back because of obviously all the products we used in it. Start with using this Moroccan oil hairspray first. And what this does is like a luminescing hairspray. So this isn't, let's say, holding the curls per se. It's just giving it a really nice finish. It's going to make it seem and look soft. And as you guys can see, I don't overdo it. I kind of just place it in the, make sure that everywhere else is kind of tame. Probably a bit harder with the fan down there, and then I just start making sure that it's all going in. And look, just making sure that everything is really evenly spread, nice and curled nicely. I put a lot of hairspray here. It has to, I need the fringe to have a bit more bounce. What we're gonna do is, let's get that comb again. And yes, yeah, I think we've got it to a standard that I'm happy with. So what I'm going to do now is, once again, I'm going to get the hair to the exact kind of like position. Let's go in again with this spray by the Moroccan oil. Once again, really want this. I think I'm quite happy with that. I think I am happy with that. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is exactly how I create my curls. And literally with my curls, it does kind of vary depending on how long I keep the curls in. This is the kind of loose I think I want to go, and yeah, I am pleased. I'm pleased. So guys, that is me done with this quick catch-up video and this quick hair curl tutorial. I really hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys that are struggling to get this kind of curl pattern or get this kind of voluptuous curls can learn something from this, and hopefully you can put this part of your routine when curling your hair. This is an RPGSHOW wig. I'll leave the link down below. You guys know already. This is the 15th anniversary, so there's going to be a huge sale, a huge discount. Today is a day. If you guys literally have been waiting and hoping you can get a good discount price, you can. So make sure you guys shop that link down below if you guys want to get this wig. I love it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys very soon in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. It means the absolute world. And yeah, take care guys. I'll see you very soon.